Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a very simple and cute friendship band. Firstly, I've taken this pearl strip which I've used for choker in the previous video. I've taken two and I've cut one into half. I'm going to connect these using the jump rings and button type beads. Our base of friendship band is ready. Now I'm going to stick this yellow color stone in the middle of this base. After sticking the stone, I'll be sticking golden color stones at the sides of the yellow one. I've got the sticker type stone strips. I'm going to cut it into half and then stick it at both the sides of that yellow stone. The golden color stone strip is now stuck, and next is I'll be sticking this white stone chain at the sides, that is after the button, as you can see. Next is I'll be fixing these jump rings at the sides along with the hook at one side. I've already made two jump ring sets. As you can see, there are two in one. So similarly, I've made another one. I'll be fixing this on each side. Then on one side, I'll be fixing the hook. Our friendship band is now ready to use. I hope you like this idea.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.